Okay guys, let's do our weather. Okay, so today it's still rainy and cold. And remember, I do this a week early, so we'll check it out. Rainy and cold. All right. Our weather gets another tally mark besides rainy. If we have another rainy day tomorrow, I get to draw a lazy line across it, make it a bundle of 5. All right, our days in school are 54. So we have had 5 10s and 4 1s. 5 10s, 4 1s. Our days in school are 54. Put a little mark there. Okay, every 10 frame that's full, we get to count by 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Let's do our number of the day today. Erase all this business down here. Our number of the day today. How about 15? That's a good number. So 15 has how many 10s? It's okay, you can shout it out at home. How many 10s do you see? 1. How many 1s do you see? 5. So if we were going to build a city to look like this, we could have 1 tower of 10 and 5 little houses. So let's do it over here. Oops, not over here. Down here. All right, so our number of the day is 15. I'm going to highlight him. Here's my 15. He can't hide from us. We see him. All right, so when we go up, we're losing 10. And when we go forward, we're getting 10 more. When we go backward, we're losing 1. And when we go forward this way, we're adding 1. So going back by 10s, going forward by 10s, going back by 1s, going forward by 1s. So our number of the day, 15. So 10 less is what number? Yeah, it's 5. 10 more is 25. And again, counting is all about patterns. So see, they all end with 5s, and then it goes nothing, 1, 2. So our next one would be 3, 5, then 4, 5, then 5, 5, then 6, 5. Only we don't call it that. We call it 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. And then it would be 115, 125, and it would just keep going. You could literally count forever. You could count every second of every day for the rest of your life and never run out of numbers. Numbers never end. So 1 less than 15 is 14, and 1 more is 16. Let's count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Compare some numbers. Okay, I'm using my marker. Let's put 15 here. And let's put 25 here. Which one of these guys is bigger? Yeah, 25. 5 is a hungry alligator. That's the one I'd want to chomp right on. Okay, pattern time. Let's get rid of these guys. No more flowers. Bye, flower. Aren't they pretty flowers? You guys are writing books right now. You could even write a book about a flower someday. Or you could write a book about somebody named after a flower, like with Chrysanthemum. Remember how she was named after a flower and the other kids made fun of her? And then in the end, she had this really cool teacher who was also named after a flower. Okay, we're all clear. So let's do a pattern. Let's do shoe, shoe, and just because they're so cute, puppy, puppy. Okay, so shoe, shoe, puppy, puppy. What would be next? Shoe, shoe. What would happen down here? Yeah, puppy, puppy. Then what? Shoe, shoe. Then what? Puppy, puppy. There you go. Shoo, shoo, puppy, puppy, shoo, shoo, puppy, puppy, shoo, shoo, puppy, puppy. That's AABB pattern. AABB. See how that works? Okay, we're not going to do our doubles. We're going to do our skip counting today, though. So what would be our next one? We're counting by twos. Remember, when you count by twos, it's just skipping. You're skipping every other number. So 58, we skipped 59. Yeah, 60. Be thinking about what'll come tomorrow. Same way with this guy. We started over counting by fives. 5, what comes next? Yeah, 10. Think about what'll come tomorrow. Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. What comes next? 80. Good job. Let's do a quick number bond. Erase these drawings. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do my big number. My top number is going to be 12. I'm going to do 8 on this bubble and 4 on this bubble. I'm not going to worry about doing this because we're going to do this on the next page. So my fact family, 12, is my big number, and it can be broken down into 8 and 4. So we're going to get rid of all this business here. So let's do it here. We've got 12 broken into 8 and 4. All right, so when we do our fact family, remember your big number when you add goes at the end. So we put 12 here, 12 here. When we add, our big number goes at the end. Then when we subtract, our big number goes at the beginning. So here he is, put him at the beginning. Then we take our two little numbers and we just add them up over here. We say 8 plus 4 makes 12. And we know if 8 plus 4 makes 12, then we can switch them. And 4 plus 8 will still make 12. That's our first fact, two fact families. Two first parts of our fact family. All right, then we can take 12 and we can subtract 4. And that still leaves 8. But down here, we can do it the backwards way. We went this way first. Now we can say 12, take away 8, makes 4. So they just changed places. And that is our fact family for today. So you guys keep practicing this. I know it's kind of hard, but you got it. You'll get there.